Hey, Emeril Lagasse here with my new Power Air Fryer 360. The air fryer with quick cook turbo heat technology that air fries with air, not oil, and cooks with up to 70% less calories from fat versus deep frying.
The secret is the 5 heating elements and smart fan with turbo blades that are angled to distribute the heat evenly throughout the entire cooking surface. Air fry steak and fries in 20 minutes. The airflow racks mean you can cook up to 450% more than in a traditional air fryer.
But wait, this is so much more than an air fryer?
There are 12 cooking preset functions. One-touch air fry rotisserie chicken 30 minutes faster. That's so crispy on the outside and tender juicy on the inside. One touch and you can roast an entire turkey up to 40% faster. And it converts into a countertop slow cooker. Now you can braise pulled pork all day, or slow cook ribs that are so tender they slip right off the bone.
Oh my God!
Air fry pizza in minutes with perfect crust and sizzling hot toppings bursting with flavor. One touch to broil just like your oven. Make broiled cheesy Reuben sandwiches. And there's a toast function with 5 levels of darkness. Toast bagels and 6 pieces of toast with no flipping. There's even a bake function. Bake a chocolate molten cake with a gooey chocolate center and white chocolate bread pudding with macadamia caramel sauce. Don't heat up your kitchen with that big slow oven. You can cook complete meals for your whole family up to 40% faster. There's even a reheat setting for leftovers. It's also a pro-grade dehydrator with just one touch. Make healthy dried fruit without added dyes and sugar. And crispy onions, perfect for any dish. This is a dehydrator, air fryer, convection oven, rotisserie, and toaster oven all in one. This is the most versatile kitchen tool you'll use every day. The drip tray catches all the grease and crumbs. And all accessories are dishwasher safe, so cleanup is a breeze.